possible that we might see a 30,000 mAh battery rugged phone very soon. I think it's possible. The Oukitel WP19, as we know, is the first rugged phone with a 21,000 mAh battery. And then a few months later, the UniHertz tank and the Doji VMAX with an even bigger battery capacity, 22,000 mAh, guys. So if 21,000 is possible, 22,000 is possible, I believe that 25,000 is possible, 30,000 is also possible. But I'm not saying that a rugged phone with a 30,000 mAh battery is going to be released this year. I'm not sure, but I believe that in the future we might see a rugged phone with a 30,000 mAh battery. It is very possible, guys, but there's a problem. As we all know, the Oukitel WP21, the UniHertz tank, the Doji VMAX, and many other rugged phones are very heavy. And that is because of the huge battery that they usually have and the materials that is used to make these phones, such as metal, rubber, and so on. So if we see a rugged phone with a 30,000 mAh battery, it's going to be very thick and very heavy. But is it possible for the rugged phone to be even lighter than I think? I believe so. I mean, if you go online and search for the first memory card or first hard drive, you'd come across the 5 megabyte IBM hard drive that was released in 1956, I think. It took about 10 men to be able to move the memory card or hard drive. Compare that with memory cards of today or hard drives of today. They've gotten smaller while their memory capacity has gotten even larger. I also asked the popular ChatGPT, a chatbot released by OpenAI, if it's possible for a phone with a 30,000 mAh battery to be less than 200 grams, to weigh less than 200 grams. And this is the response that I got. It is possible for a phone with a 30,000 mAh battery to weigh less than 200 grams. But it will likely require significant engineering and design optimization. The weight of a phone is determined by many factors, including materials used in construction, the size and shape of the battery and other components, and the overall design of the phone. To make a phone with a 30,000 mAh battery weigh less than 200 grams, engineers will likely need to use lightweight materials, optimize the size and shape of the battery and other components, and make other design choices that minimize the weight of the phone. However, it would be challenging to achieve this goal, and it may also affect durability and performance of the phone. So basically, it's very possible, but it's going to be very, very difficult. But the thing is, I believe that in the future, we might see a rugged phone with a 30,000 mAh battery. I'd like to hear your thoughts about my theory, so make sure to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.